And I have a beautiful ballerina sitting next to me. And she's like my family because I nurtured her from 6 years old. And when I saw that young girl, the desire in her beautiful eyes, I was understand she is going to be ballerina. It takes time, of course, but now she came from the third competition in New York, and she won all of them. And the last performance, what I saw, I already feel very happy. I achieved what a teacher could achieve, and she achieved what dancers could achieve. And nobody could take it from her. She has it, and she is proved it. I understand people saying too much talk, let's see it. So what if you just talk to her, and soon we're going to show the video of her doing that in New York. It was absolutely stunning to see 15 years old lady come into the biggest city in the world and most powerful city in the world and dance like that. She actually was against, I just tell you, 70 people from Brazil. There's other countries, but look the energy coming, all these Brazilians, my goodness. And she didn't shake it. She did it very well. I think the Liselotte should talk because she's the one who did it. I just prepared her.
When I came to the studio, I was 6 years old, and Mr. Kostov, he looked at me and he told me that he would make a ballerina of me. And Mr. Kostov has been doing everything to make that possible. He has been giving me so many privates and such good techniques, and I am so thankful for it. The Prins Bernhard Cultuurfonds Caribisch Gebied has also helped me achieve my goals. They have been giving me sponsors so that I could go to New York. They have given me the private lessons and the money to go to New York, and I am so thankful. Well, when I got there, I was definitely a little bit nervous because there were so many girls and they were all so good. And I don't really see it as a competition, I see it more as a performance. Because when you perform, you give this beautiful energy to the public that you cannot really create when you're doing a competition. So I knew with the training that Mr. Kostov has given me that I would, do my best, and we will see what comes out of it. No, this is not the first time that I went to New York. There was last year. I went to New York for the same competition, and there I won a bronze medal and 3 scholarships. And then the previous year, I didn't get the chance to go to New York because the COVID hit, but we went in Casa Cultura and we still did a competition, and I also won 2 silver medals. So this year I won a bronze medal, a 2-week full intuition scholarship for 1 week in Bordeaux and 1 week in Nice, and then I got in France, and then I got a 50% intuition scholarship to participate in a Brussels competition, and then I got a 50% intuition scholarship to participate in a 1-year program in Florida in a Paris school.
Nos que felicitar Damita hoben aqui com não somente su logro, pero também para poner o nome de Aruba brilhar em uma tarima internacional. Sempre o Ministério de Cultura está promover e encorajar todos os jovens, todos os talentos jovens para seguir querer também se desenvolver no talento e ora que claro nos jovens e nos gente nos local florescer e batarima é logro seguro para Aruba. O Ministério de Cultura também na tour nos participantes que quer seguir desenvolver no talento, na criatividade para fazer, nós como arubianos seguro tinha e também nós quer demonstrar na mundo inteiro, com a Aruba porta chiquito de tamanho, pero nós está rico de potencial de criatividade e de desenvolvimento.
E cultura acaba a expressão humana. Então, você acha que a arte é uma parte essencial de cultura. A arte e cultura também mão em mão, tem com o outro. E nós sempre nos a sostener, mesmo os ministros de cultura, o desenvolvimento de arte e cultura em geral. De seguro, a forma arte de tarima, que é muito importante. E o nível que da minha hoben arte de Liselotte van Doorn está logrando a work na New York, via de masterclass correndo de Europa, de Georgia, que está ex-União Soviética, e também de França, está sumamente bonito de aplaudir. E me querer tornar seu lugar, quando naquele momento aqui vai, para donar essa aqui, donar sua tarima que merece, sua atenção que merece, e para que essa aqui pode exemplo para outro hoben aqui na Aruba. Nós estamos sumamente orgulhosos de Liselotte, mas depois acaba, dois anos para segundo tempo, nós estamos muito cubo, e cada rato que mama WhatsApp me of informar me do lugar, é da maneira logo de nós mesmos. E cada de nós aqui na Aruba, por exemplo, seguro para seguir.
Nós felicitamos enormemente Liselotte com seu logro na New York. Prins Bernhard Japa tempo acaba bezig a apoiar o talento excepcional que não, por meio de, entre outros, o fondsopname Ernst Young Talent Fund. Pues nós estamos supermente contentes com a hora que botava que fruto também de gente com talento excepcional e com o Prins Bernhard Fonds Caribisch gebied também a querer dinges aqui. Nós na Casa de Cultura o Liselotte crescer riba no stage que merece orgulho grande para nós também, pues nós estamos outro de desejamos hope mas éxito, doorzetting e siga assim and keep making us proud.